starting. Hello. Okay, my name, let's say Canon. I have a 50D here, and as you can see, the shutter has having problems. I saw somewhere that if you put a 99% alcohol somewhere inside there, you should fix the problem. So let's get to it and see how it works. Just put the spoon of alcohol and pour it inside the camera. I think I'm going to do something a little bit more careful than that. I'll do it backwards so it doesn't make sure that gets to the chip. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, so you have to put it in this kind of position for these for several hours. It's best not to blow on the inside, just to make sure the alcohol doesn't get everywhere. So just to make sure, let's try and do that one more time. So that is basically put more. Let's see, a spoon of alcohol. This is 95, this is 99, but I hope it works with 95. Okay, so I just put it in here. This person like mad. Making sure the alcohol gets in there and dissolve anything that is making the clicker jam. So my guess is why they use alcohol is because it dries up quicker, and it also, well, hopefully it doesn't cause any rust or damage the electronic component. Okay, so we're just going to leave that there. Game Boy. Leave my camera to rest here. Okay. Now, let's hope for the best. So I put it in here. Let's hope it evaporates and everything is better than new. Thank you. Hi guys. Okay. I left the camera overnight. I put the aircon full because I'm living in Bali and it's quite humid. So hopefully all the alcohol is really evaporated. Okay, so I'll try and put the battery on now, put the lens on now, and let's hope for the best. As you can see, it's all dried up there. Which I also forgot to mention before putting the battery and before putting the alcohol. You see there's a small watch size battery in there for the time and date. You take that out too, just to be safe, and put it back in once everything is dried. Okay, switch it on, and let's see what happens. Focus, take a picture. Worked great. Okay, it was setting on fire. Auto. Okay, now single shot. Pressing normally, no extra power on the button. Focus. And it's better. Okay, here we go. Thank you for watching my channel. Well, this video actually. Sort of the picture. Okay, it's not fantastic, but it works.